Otterbox cases are notoriously difficult and fiddly to install. So we're going to show you how to install and remove it on this iPhone 14 Pro. So from the box, the case will look like this in one piece. It is actually two pieces. So what you're going to want to do is pop your nail or finger into this little indent on the frame here and sort of prise it out. Then just work your way around the rest of the case until the frame itself pops out. Now you're going to want to grab your phone, place it into this section, then grab the front frame and line it up. Then you're going to have to prise back the edge of the case and fit that into the groove. Now it's one thing to keep in mind, if you've got a screen protector that goes all the way to the edge of your phone, it may be a little bit more difficult to get the frame on. This screen protector from Panzer actually fits quite nicely with the frame installed. Now to remove the case from the phone, you're going to want to repeat the process that we did at the beginning. So you've got two indents either side of the phone, just peel the rubber up and then sort of push the frame out. Then just work your way around the whole phone until the frame is released. Then just push the cameras from the back and the case comes off. So that's how to install the Otterbox Defender case on an iPhone 14 Pro. If you'd like to purchase this case, check out the links in the description below.